Among all the oils we use for various things on a daily basis, one of the most ignored has to be castor oil. Derived from the castor seeds, this pale yellow oil is rich in antioxidants, can be used for both external beauty treatments as well as internally to cure digestive and other ailments. You might not know this, but medicinal castor oil is a natural beauty ingredient with multiple benefits for skin and hair and is therefore a staple in many natural cosmetics. In many parts of the world, a controlled dosage of castor oil is given to kids and adults at regular intervals as a laxative to flush out toxins as well as to remove parasites from the intestines, basically a deworming agent. However, one must be careful before imbibing this oil. Avoid if you have IBS, hemorrhoids and stomach ulcer. Today's video will discuss one simple method to use castor oil for a detox. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Detox flush of the stomach. Here's how. Do this on an empty stomach. This is very important. Add 3 tablespoons of medicinal or food grade castor oil to a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. Mix and drink off fast. Wait for half an hour. Have 1 glass of hot water. Wait for 15 minutes and drink 2 glasses of warm water. Wait another 15 minutes and have another 2 glasses of warm water. Relax till you get the urge to go to the washroom. For 2 days after the flush, avoid heavy on stomach, fried and spicy foods. Totally avoid eating anything raw. This flush is very intense as it eliminates all toxins from the body, so it might make you feel a little lightheaded as it also flushes out parasites such as tapeworms. Take it easy for a day. Repeat only once in 6 months. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.